LandStar 7, Pipeline Function. Why should users use GNSS receiver for a pipeline survey? Generally, pipeline detector can provide high-precision coordinates of underground pipeline, so users need to combine GNSS receiver with pipeline detector. LandStar 7, which supports the simultaneous connection to pipeline detector and GNSS receiver, makes it easy to survey underground pipeline. Here is an underground pipeline, let's see how to make it possible. Pipeline detector transmitter. GNSS receiver, data controller with LandStar 7. Pipeline detector receiver, create a new project. Remember to choose pipeline template, or you can't see pipeline survey function. Connect to GNSS receiver. Connect to pipeline detector receiver. Apply the work mode. Start pipeline survey. Use pipeline detector receiver to find target first. Get pipeline information and checking LandStar 7. Put GNSS receiver on the same position, and click OK to get coordinates. Continue to survey. Click to finish this pipeline and input customized attributes. Export pipeline data. Supports shapefile export and pipeline export. Compare the survey result with real pipeline.